Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Irfan Nazir from Government Medical College Srinagar. So we are right here in Jammu Hospital Jalandhar, and this program has been sponsored by the Medtronics, and this program is related to the bariatric surgeries, and it's a marathon of mini gastric bypasses, and since yesterday we have seen more than 13 cases have been done, and there are a few more cases to go. So it's a great learning opportunity for young people like us who want to venture into this bariatric surgery, and seeing the masters do this. You want to know the tricks of the trade. So this is very essential for people like us, that once you go, you know what are the nitty-gritty of this surgery. So I'm really thankful for this opportunity to Jammu Hospital Jalandhar. We wish them the best in future, and to Medtronics for giving opportunity and platform for every surgeon to just come to this platform and refine their skills. So thank you very much.